they moving faster today. That machine rolling big time. He rolling. He got that thing in the rabbit setting. He must got that thing in that rabbit setting. And I'm here for it.
Morning. It is Friday the 9th, and guess where we're at? Back on the curb job, so another curb pour for y'all. Sorry, no en-route video today because, well, we're familiar with this job. There go my man from yesterday. Shout out to all my 4 peoples that steady watch me, man. Like I said, curb job, we're sitting on a 2 slump. And let's go pour them out. Go pour them out, boy. Hold my shit for my man. Unlock it. We're pretty dry. It probably has some water in it again. I have a feeling we're gonna be doing this curb for a minute because they just getting started on this construction site, and it look like they got the contract to do the whole curb system. Oh. It's already on. Back. See how they like it. If we need to add any water to it. And we're gonna do the same thing like we did yesterday. I think you might have to add water to it though. It sounds pretty dry. Yesterday he liked it at right at a nice little tight little 4. Right now I'm a 2, I'm dry. Well, he ain't stopped me, so. Oh, he says good. He says good, we good. We got it on the first try, baby. Alright, well, since he said he's good, let's just straight ahead is nice and clear. No poles in the ground today. And thanks again for watching the channel and just taking y'all time and just, you know, riding with the kid while I'm out here working. Keep my eye on it, making sure everything's straight. Tell me to go. It's now currently 12:17 on the nose. Yes, went to the gym today, got my workout in. Did legs this morning. Now the stomach rumbling. No, I don't think I'm working tomorrow. Don't think I'm working tomorrow, so. Yeah, I probably won't get a mixer truck video tomorrow, and for that I apologize. What's the hold up, big time? somewhere. Oh, he's probably waiting on those. Oh, they did. Yeah, they look like they're together. Probably waiting on those guys to finish up on that side of that curve. We're still playing the waiting game. Well, since we're waiting, let me just take this time out to say I want to thank each and every single one of y'all for tuning in. Exercising this muscle of being consistent. Started with the gym. Go every day, being consistent every day. Started this channel just here we go. Time to roll. Time to rock and roll. Boom. Let's do it. Same thing like yesterday. We're gonna pull up the bend there. Oh, we already inching forward. About to say, big time. You already got me going forward. Ain't even pull him up yet. We're gonna pour him. Oh, we can speed the drum up a little bit. Remember, not a lot of water in this load, so the ground is definitely drier than yesterday. Didn't take much gas that time to get the truck going forward, as y'all can see. Speed the drum up a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. That should be good right there. Yeah, I can just I can barely put my foot on the gas and should go forward. So that's good. Yesterday, the ground was soft. Go check out yesterday's video. You'll see what I'm talking about. We're just pouring up some curves. This job site is actually interesting because it looks like they got two different concrete contractors on here. They got us, which is USA Ready Mix, and they also got Thomas. I seen Thomas pulled up yesterday. Stop the drum, he says, so we're gonna stop it. Forward, stop. But yeah, man, I've been working on just being consistent with everything I do, man. I advise y'all to do the same. If there's anything that y'all doing and you want to see progression, be consistent at it. So I started going to the gym this year. I've been consistent. Well, I really started last year for real. Started right into December. I ain't missed yet. Lost 9 pounds. Y'all can't tell, because y'all are seeing me now. And started this channel just to showcase the things that I'm doing in my life. And right now, working. I'm gonna be dropping some other content too. But just trying to be consistent, man. You know, there's power in consistency. I'm starting to see that the more I live it. So if there's anything that y'all are doing, you want to get better at it, just work on being consistent with it. It doesn't matter what you're doing. The momentum is a little faster today. I think that thing crawling a little faster today. Look at that. We were moving like this yesterday. So I like it. Now I can just ease my foot up off the brake and the truck rolls forward. Yes, sir. That's how I like it. Yesterday was tough. I ain't gonna hold you. I was like, yang.
Because now the truck can crawl at a speed where it's similar to the machine. That was nice right there. Oh yeah, they're moving faster today. That machine rolling big time. He rolling. He got that thing in the rabbit setting. He must got that thing in that rabbit setting. And I'm here for it. What's gonna suck is if we gotta do this job again Monday, it's gonna be messy because it's supposed to rain all weekend here in Georgia. Yeah, we got rain coming in all day tomorrow, which is Saturday, and Sunday. I'm not looking forward to it. I can't see the normally if I can see, because we're on a bend, we're doing a turn, a curve. If we're doing a straight line, I can see the machine, and I would know, start to gauge when to start pulling up. Truck with the machine. Let's see how good I can get it. We're gonna try and walk. Oh, nope. Say go forward. Alright, let's just try and match my pace. It's hard to match your pace, see? He told me to stop. It's hard to match your pace because the ground is soft a little bit. They're moving fast today, boy. I ain't gonna hold you. He told me to stop it right there. Pouring out curbs on a Friday, I'll take it. Start again. Try to level out now, straighten out here. Yeah, the rope ends right there, so we'll see if we're gonna finish up in time. We might have a little bit more to do the other side, so we're gonna have to turn around for sure. I don't hear that drum rattling yet, and we're almost to the end of this rope line. Oh, I remember when I first started driving a mixer, and when it came time to do one of these jobs right here, a machine curb, I was nervous, man. I was like, man, there's so much going on. But my trainer put me in the driver's seat and said, just watch his hand signal. When he say go, go. When he say stop, stop. Doing one of these jobs when you first start, and you've never done them before, and you're doing it, and you didn't get a trainer, it can be intimidating, but it's simple. It's simple. If you're good at following directions and move fast with it, you're good. If you can pull off from a traffic light when it turns green, and if you know where to stop before a traffic light when it turns yellow, you can do this right here. But But it is cool to see the finishing product laying concrete. Any form of concrete, whether I lay driveways, sidewalks, curb like we're doing now, slabs. Slabs are cool. I think we started out doing slabs on the channel. Oh, I had one sweet slab job, but I had to delete all the footage because it was my first time just to edit this new editing software and everything. I just couldn't get it the way I want to. And I'm not gonna make a video if it doesn't turn out the way I want to make it, the way I want it to turn out. So I had to just trash the footage. But hopefully I can get another one of those slab jobs so I can show y'all. That thing was sweet. These guys were building a mansion on top of a hill. I can hear the drum rattling though a little bit. See, now I can see the machine moving now. So I can pretty much gauge now when it's getting close to touching the truck. Yeah, that drum rattling like that means you're almost out. So they might have some callback. There ain't nobody else coming behind me. They've got about close to 2.5 yards to finish up this side. Yeah, that thing rattling. You hear that? This video is probably going to end up being a little shorter than definitely the last one. The one I did yesterday was 55 minutes because I started rolling pretty much when I got to the site because I didn't want to be waiting on the truck before me to pour out. And I'm not going to do a drive back video driving back empty because of fear of losing my cameras or damaging them. When a mixer truck is empty, it bounces a lot. So you hit a pothole, any mixer driver knows. Bloop, 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 it bounces a lot. It's gonna bounce cameras right off. And I don't want to risk that. So I guess Monday is when I'm gonna catch y'all again. Oh, it said stop it. The drum's rattling, but it's pouring out pretty consistent still. So we probably ain't really too close toward the end yet. We're gonna see though. There's a skid steer over here making sure I don't hit it. Someone just parked the skid steer. Parked the skid steer right there. Those things are fun. Skid steer, I wish I knew how to ride one. Y'all know how to drive a skid steer? What's crazy about these curbs is you pour it, it gets hardened up and it looks beautiful, and then down the road they take sections out of them, bust them up, you know, to lay the houses, like the driveways of the house. I always wonder how they do that. Like, how do they know where to stop the curb for the driveway of the house? Turns out that they don't. They just lay the curb, and then when it's time to build a house foundation with the driveway, they'll just knock that section out and get rid of it. So if y'all are ever wanting to know That's how they do it. They're just gonna lay the whole curve, one straight line, boom, curve is done. Job complete. It's time, oh, I'm empty now. The speaker's on. Yeah, he grabbed the water hose, so I know I'm empty now. And there's no way to turn around, so I'm gonna have to back up. Yeah, you hear that? You don't hear no rattling, nothing? Out of here, so maybe I can turn around. That stuff looks like pretty damp right there, but maybe I can turn around. What y'all want me to do? Back up or turn around? How y'all want it? Tell me, talk to me, tell me something. How y'all want it? Back up or turn around? We'll turn around. No, I'm backing up. Let's back up and give him this ticket. Here we go. Put the drum back in charge. Charge means put the drum back in the rotation to where it keeps the mix in, not out. Don't go too close to that brand new curve now, big time. What you doing, big time? Oh, you need some water? Didn't sign his paperwork.
¿Quién gallons de water for the machine?
Huh?
10 gallons de water for the machine? The water.
Yeah, 10 gallons. 10 gallons? Yeah, go ahead. No problem, Bigo. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you, Bigo. He wanted to know if you could have 10 gallons of water to wash off the machine. I was like, absolutely, go ahead, big time. You don't mind. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Y'all are fine. So, the water thing with this job, how it works is the customer have access to the water. Sometimes they want to add X amount of water. The water is, some drivers get in situations because they think that they own the water on the truck. No, it's for the customer. They want some now. The problem is where the problem comes in is sometimes they'll use up so much water they don't leave you in it when it's time to wash out, and now you get all this buildup, and we don't like that as drivers. So how it should be done is when you finish a job site and if a customer needs some more water, you tell them, hey, let me go wash off my chutes, wash down my truck, and then the leftover water y'all can have it. But this guy this Pops, this my OG. He just said, hey, big time, I just need 10 gallons. He gave me a number. He threw them out there, 10 gallons, and we didn't add no water when we pulled up. So the tank is full. Get your little 10. I'm gonna go on over here, this wash out with y'all. We gonna wash him up, and then we out of here. We good. Some guys don't want to give up no water, man. They act like that water is gold. We ain't doing that, big time. Oh, you know what? While I'm bullshitting, we fill out this paperwork. Got loaded at 11:31. I left the job site at
11:45. I arrived there at 12:17. I started unloading at 12:20. I finished unloading at, wait for it, 12:39. And I'm gonna wash out. That's gonna take me about 10-15 minutes. So let's just put leave job at 45. No, let's do 48. And then plant right down the street. So we're gonna get there at 1 o'clock. Paperwork done. You know what I'm saying? That job ain't hard. You just got to get up. You got to hit your alarm clock and just roll out the bed. Some of y'all don't even want to hit your alarm clock and roll out the bed. Alright, they finished up now. Thank you, Migo. Let go. Just wash out. While we're backing up, we get to see the curve that you and I just poured out. Let's see how good him looking. Slow that drum down. You don't need to be spinning that fast. What's that? Oh, that's the drainage back there. Let me go in the middle of that. Put him in the middle. Yeah. He was saying, you know where to go wash out at? Y'all didn't give me a washout yesterday. I had to make my own. And guess what? I'm going back to my spot. Look at that curve. Ooh, that boy poured that thing. We poured him up. He look good. We can walk on him tomorrow. No, I'm just playing. No, I probably could though. Look at that curve, man. Ooh, wait. Thing look pretty, man. Yeah, they're ready to shoot up. See, this is where it gets tricky because I can't really see what's going on. This way here. Watch this curve there. Got dump trucks going. Well, I got a whole lot going on over here. Y'all busy today, huh? Y'all know that rain coming in. Y'all send everybody out here. Mr. Simeon. I see you, Mr. Simeon. I can't let you go in front of me big time because you got shoots. Oh. No, you ain't even done yet. That excavator, y'all want some excavator action? Y'all like excavators like me? Huh, let me give y'all some excavator action, man. Ooh. Y'all want some excavator action? There you go. Get that excavator action, huh? I tell you what, I'm gonna do one better for y'all. Cause y'all been rocking with me. My little small little group, y'all been rocking with me. Y'all like excavators, stay around to the end of this video. So we gonna go up there with the POV cam. We gonna get him loaded, probably get him load one truck, and then that's how we're gonna close out the video. Get that. That's why I love this job too, man. I'll be around some machinery. Hey,
washout spot from yesterday. Oh. Coming right back in. Yeah, we're gonna get that big old excavator doing its thing. I love machinery, man. I love them excavators, boy. Excavators ain't nothing to play with. Now I got a little treat for y'all. First, we gotta wash out the truck before you can play around. You know what I'm saying? And we still got more work to do. Well, not y'all, I do. Oh, I think I went too far deep. I don't want to go too far deep. I like to go where there's gravel for traction purposes. Alright. Y'all know what time it is. Grab the POV. Grab the POV time, baby. And let's go do him. Oh, that's him right there. My gloves are still wet from yesterday, man. Dang, bro. I don't like a wet glove. Alright, that's it. We're going out here and wash him down. And then I'm gonna give y'all the excavator footage. Oh! Now what I like to do, situations like this, I like to just go ahead and put my chute in the position where I lock it and just wash it from there. Oh yeah, that's him. I did legs today, man. I shouldn't be climbing no ladders. Let's go. Get him out of here. Yeah, get him up out of here, big time. That's the sound we like to hear. Woo! Drop, drop, drop like marbles. Yeah. That's another thing I like about this job is there's certain things you do that's just satisfying. Like listening to concrete just fall and hit that chute while you're washing out. That to me is a satisfying sound. It's not gonna be for everybody, but for me it is. Well, I guess it's Friday, so I have to give y'all the excavator footage. I mean, it's only right I leave out. Can't leave. Y'all ain't gonna see me for 2 days, man. Y'all ain't gonna see me working for 2 days. I got to leave you with something. You know, we gonna be back on Monday doing what we do, punching a clock. See, guys like me and you, and some of you guys are probably already retired. We had to do this right here to get ours. We had to punch a clock to get ours. Yeah, man, we ain't no silver spoon kids. No, we got to get ours. We got to punch the clock. You know what I'm saying? We ain't cut like them other folks. You know what I'm talking about, them rich ones. Now, if you came like how we came and then you end up getting rich, congratulations to you. But we still trying to get, we got to punch a clock every day. We still trying to get to where you at. So we just some hard-working people, man. Ooh, that thing pretty too, boy. That's a big boy. Here him go. Gonna load him up. First bucket. Drop him in there. So cool. Woo.
thing too close to that edge. I hope he don't fall now. I guess the horn man has to do it. Oh, that's hard. Ooh, look at that car, boy. Ooh. Oh, he know how to do that thing. He know how to do it. Alright, y'all, it's time for me to go, but I'm gonna give y'all some extra, man. So I'm actually enjoying watching my man work right here. So that truck took what? That truck took 3, was that 3 loads? Took 3 loads. Ooh, look at that Peterbilt. That one took 3. Let me see if all of them take 3. After this one, we're gonna go, y'all. But you know, you just can't pass up the excavator action. Okay, so this is one right here. That's 2 right there. And that's 3 right there. I saw the truck roll forward a while ago. Okay, horn ain't blown, so I'm guessing it's 4 loads. Oh no, 4.5. Wait, is that a full scoop? I can't tell. Nah, it's about a half. Yeah, that's a half a scoop. Boom, just like that there, boy. Y'all look at this peak right here. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I want, boy. I need that peak, big time. Big time, I need that peak, big time. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah, him nice, boy. Oh, yeah. Y'all getting all kinds of treats before the weekend. Ooh. Is it a cat? That's the thing we want to find out. Oh, it's a cat up in there. Oh, Lord Jesus.
I mean, good Caterpillar. We better have a cat under the hood.
Oh, that was a nice peak right there. All right, it's time to get back to work. I hope y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. Y'all be good. Y'all be safe. And I'm gonna rock with y'all Monday when it's time to sling some more mud. Be safe, I'm gone.